Welcome to lesson 4, module 1, where I'm going to explain how to get clients on Kwork, Guru, GoLance, and untapped platforms. So Kwork is basically a freelancing platform similar to Fiverr. Here I'm showing you my dashboard of my account because I've been here for a while now. I think since 2020 or 2022. I don't know which year specifically. I got just one review and I got two projects so far why I've been on Upwork. So sorry, why I've been on Kwork. One of the orders I referred a client to order me there. So another reason why Kwork is so different from other platforms is amount of engagement. You can get a lot of views, but a lot of people don't purchase. Even if the gig image is very attractive, still this is how the platform is like that. They just go for the top rated sellers, so just work hard very well. Get this account because you can easily refer clients from other platforms to this Quark. And that's one of the main reasons why I'm still having my Quark. Not that I haven't. That's why I did not close the account because I can easily get clients from there or refer clients to there. You understand? So another benefit of using Quark is the service fee is not high. The service fee, I think, it's just 20% only. And if a project is approved right now, you can withdraw immediately, just similar to Guru. Guru is also having the same features, meaning if a client approve a project right now, I can withdraw to any payment method like immediately after 1 minute or few seconds after the person released the fund from the order. Unlike Fiverr and Upwork, where the fund have to pen for on Upwork, I think 5 to 7 days, depending on what type of project you get. Is it or hourly or fixed? You understand? But on Fiverr, every payment penned for 14 days, while it penned for I think 7 days if you go for the Freelancer Plus, and if you are a top rated, your payment will start pending for 7 days only. And if you are level 1 or level 2, you can also apply for that Freelancer Plus or Seller Plus. Seller Plus is what we call it specifically because on Upwork is Freelancer Plus. So Seller Plus we allow you to withdraw before 14 days, which is 7 days half of it. But still, this duration is a lot. Okay, that's why I check other platforms. That's why I tap into the potential of other platforms as well, not rely on only Upwork and Fiverr. That's why I go to Quark, I go to GoLance, I go to Guru. I haven't logged into my GoLance for a while, but I'll definitely do. I also utilize Workana as well. Workana, I haven't get any project on Workana before, but I have get a project on Guru, I've get a project on Quark, I haven't get any project on Workana, I haven't get a project on GoLance because I'm also there. And uh, after referring clients there, you can also get client directly from there because you are getting yourself out there means you have more chances of getting more messages and more contracts. So basically, having multiple accounts on all this, having multiple freelancing accounts on different freelancing platforms helps you to get seen easily. It improves your visibility. It's still the same thing I'm saying, but in a different with a different concept, but also helps you to get um, selected easily. And another thing is increasing the source of income because you're a freelancer, you want to get a job to pay some bills and all. You understand? So you have to increase the stream of income. Meaning, if you are trying to work for people, increase how many places you get projects from with different type of terms of service. You have to read your terms of service, understand everything. Remember, I said that previously. So once all of that is done, then the most important thing is to focus on optimization and staying active. As you can see, if you notice my dashboard right now, you will notice this is counting consistently. This is extra tip I'll give you right now. Utilize extension. You should just how do you get this extension and how do you set it up? I'll explain shortly now. This is an extra tip. This is not part of the initial uh, initial lesson, but I always try to give people more tips on every lesson I do because that's how it's meant to be. All right. So here, this even if I'm doing other things on other browser, this automatically auto refresh my accounts, meaning I'm always active. As long as I open my system and I connect to data connection or any internet reception, I am active everywhere. You understand? Once I click on tab, once I click on stop, it's totally stop. So after a few minutes, my account will go offline. So when I click on start again, it automatically starts. So the question which you might have, because you are totally new to this and you don't know how to have this, if you know, good. If you don't know, this part is for you. So you're going to go like this. You're going to go to extension. You're going to go to Google extension or extension for browser or Chrome extension browser. As you can see, Chrome, yeah, Chrome Web Store. Chrome Web Store is the best thing to type. So when you get to Chrome Web Store, you can see search auto reload, auto reload, or auto refresh, whatever option you get. But I'm currently using this application right here. Once you click on it, you're going to add it to your Chrome. Once you add to your Chrome, it will ask you to pin it. Once you pin it, I can literally unpin from here. Once I unpin, it's no longer here. Once I pin, it's back here, but I don't want it there, so I can easily drag and drop it to wherever I want it to be. This pin is for vidIQ. I'll talk about it later. This is Google Tag Assistant. This is Grammarly, and this is Apollo. And this is Google Translator for me to translate any website to any language, to English language, not any language. All right. So that's another tip I wish to share with you. What else? Hmm, you remember how you could write good proposals because that's what GoLance, that's why GoLance and Guru is all about. GoLance, Guru, Workana, you can send proposals there. Meaning if I go to find work right now, I can see different kind of proposals and I can easily apply for them if I have the bite to. So the main thing you must focus on here is be specific. Whatever work you could do, you should focus more on that. Right now, I'm focused on social media marketing, so I'm going to go straight to sales and marketing. As I click on that, I will click on apply. After that is applied, every offer I'm going to see now is going to be all about marketing. As you can see, this quote have been sent on 24th of December 2025. I've already sent this, and you can see I always check the profile. This person's having 100%, and this person have already spent very well here. The person is also from the United States, and the name is here. So these are the basic information you need to see before you send a proposal. Like this kind of proposal now is absolutely shit. You should ignore this kind of proposal if you see them because it's just a waste of bite and waste of time and effort, basically. Whoever bite for this, they just probably risk it or maybe it's their choice, basically. Let me just say it like that. It's their choice to select who to buy it for. But what I'm seeing here is a profile that is verified, obviously, from India. And this person copy and paste directly from ChatGPT does not mean the person cannot order. Okay? It doesn't mean the person cannot order because this person also started with a completely zero account and people will be skeptical to actually send proposal. Meanwhile, they are actually real and serious. So meaning the people that actually sent proposal to this person did that out of hope of the person could be real and they could actually purchase the service, all right? So I'm breaking all of this down for you to see. So take note, if you see a proposal that is showing this feature, this specific green path featured for you to feature a proposal or a job post, you have to pay a minimum of $25. So for this person to post this job specifically successfully and is having this featured, this person paid. How do I know? I have once created a buyer guru account and I have tried to feature a project, a job post, and I realize it is paid. Okay, and for you to verify your profile, you have to verify your ID with video verification and everything. So whoever the ID verified is done, that person is legit and the person is ready to work. Some countries that you know personally are those who have high a currency that have higher value, you should ignore them like this. Indonesia, there's a probability they cannot afford to pay this amount of money. Depending on the company, if an actual company from there post this offer is featured or anything, you can literally send a proposal. But as you can see here, no quote received. And this was posted on December 24th. And today, right now, is December 26th. That's over 48 hours. And nobody sent a proposal to this company or this person. That's to tell you, I'm accurate. They are not serious and they're just wasting people's time. So people just ignore them completely. So, with all we have said so far, or with all what I've said so far, I hope you are able to understand the breakdown of how to detect real job posts and fake job posts and how to apply it for them. Thank you so much. See you in the next lesson or in the next part of this tutorial. Thank you for consistently watching my videos, taking notes, and improving yourself. Bye for now. See you in the next lesson. Cheers.